Buri izooba Uganda neeyongera okutunguka omu bya tekinologiya kandi erizooba Eigyegyenero rya oil ya motoka ery'okubanza ryigurwaho omuri Mbale. Factory egi eri omu Sino Uganda Mbale Park kandi neija kushohoza filters zirikurenga $1,250,000 buri mwaka. State Minister w'ebyokwerinda Jacob Oboth owabakuriire okutongozaho Eigyegyenero eri yasiima enkwataganisa eri ahagati ya Uganda na China na munonga omu nshonga z'okutunguura eby'obwengye bw'abanya-Uganda.
These strides symbolize the growing spirit of what a partnership between the two countries can do, and also how strategic partnership towards a common goal can be very powerful.
Oboth yashaba kampani ya watu okugumiza muno basiga empiiho mu Uganda ahabw'okugira ngu erimu emigisha mingi.
I want to urge the innovators and investors to look at this as an inspiration that they too can create work that will change the world, because our end goal is to view Uganda from the world spectrum.
The production at full capacity will be 3,000 vehicles per year and 1.5 million filters.
Mukuru wa NEC watu Lieutenant General James Mugira yagira ngu buri kimwe ekirakorera omu Eigyegyenero eri nikiija kuba kiri eky'omutindo ogw'ahaiguru wagerageranisa n'ebirikuruga aheeru y'eihanga.
Because otherwise, if you don't have quality, then you cannot compete, and wouldn't even allow to have products, inferior products on the market. Then secondly, our prices, we believe, will be cheaper than the products that we get from out of the country. So you have an advantage of the quality, you have an advantage of comparable prices.
Mukuru wa watu yaraganisa okukoresa emyaka ye 40 omu bya automobile okuyamba Uganda okutunguka omu by'okugyegyena oil y'emotoka.